right?
Yes, Thomas, but sometimes everything happens at once. I have to take the Cop-O-Mat to get my orders right away. The journey through Shining Time keeps getting bumpier and bumpier.
Does it? A Peak Bully Diesel is back, Mr. Conductor. You'd better be careful.
The Cop-O-Mat warned me about Diesel. Don't worry, Thomas.
I've been stopping in and out of my